If you want to create this Ramadan daily planner with free templates, stay connected. Hi, my name is Nabila and you are watching Canva Design with Nabila. In this channel, we will discuss only free Canva templates that are easy to create and easy to download. We quickly move to our video. Let's get started. Go to Google, go to Canva. The search bar writes Ramadan Daily Planner. Here are lots of free and paid templates. We choose the free one. I like this one. Now start editing the template and delete the extra rows and change the name here. Write down top priority. Now select it and go to the above three dotted line and select group and adjust the size. Go to above and change the line weight. Change the color of the row and change the line weight. Now with the third row, repeat the same procedure. I need this section the same. Simply I group it so I can easily adjust. Now take a duplicate and write here suhoor time and iftar time. Move to the next. Write here meals, suhoor and iftar. Now select it, go to the above three dotted lines and select group and freely adjust it. Move to the next, write here Salah tracker and delete the extra. And adjust it. And group it so we can adjust easily. I'm going to delete this section because I don't want this section. Now write here the Quran recitation. Go to the text and add the subheading. Write here Surah and Ayah. And change the font and font size. And change color. Go to elements and lines and shape. Take this line. Change the color of the line and change the line weight. Now take a duplicate of the line and adjust. Go to text and add a subheading right here too. Select it and change the font and size of the text. Take a duplicate of the line and adjust it. Change the font color. Now select it and go to the above three dotted line and select group and adjust it. Now take a duplicate of this one and customize it. Write here things to get done family work. Select it and change font size and select it and take a duplicate. Write here work and adjust it. Write here self. Take a duplicate of this one and adjust it. Take a duplicate of text and write here reflections. And take a duplicate of the text and write here what went wrong today. Take a duplicate and write here what will I do to make it right. Now select it and take a duplicate of this. Write here good deeds I will do today. Select it, go to the above three dotted line and select group. Now take a duplicate of this and take it and first ungroup and then start editing. Write daily dua and tarawih. Now take a duplicate of this and write here appointments. Take a duplicate of the lines and adjust it. Go above and rename it. Go to share and download in standard PDF form.